here on John's Holly. Vacuum secondary 4-barrel. Got the secondaries together. Everything's all assembled. I did put a new O-ring on the crossover tube. Lubed it up. A little spit. Stuck it on in. You know, because if you love her luber, if you don't, stick it in dry. But this is a Holly carburetor. We definitely love her. This isn't one night woohoo in God knows where. So, back to where we were here. Got off the beaten track. So we're going to line up, make sure we got our gasket correct. Yeah. Hold on, let's see here. Do we have a different one? I have enough Holly gaskets around here. Be amazed. Okay, those two don't line up. Maybe it's this guy. We got all kinds of stuff, so. Fun. This little bugger goes back in yonder here. Boop. This little guy. Yeah, don't worry about that little guy. Because we obviously need this gasket. Because it is specific and it clears it. I know it's got a little funky to it. I'm going to go through my kits and see if I can find another one. I got all kinds of gaskets. I hoard gaskets. I'm a gasket hoarder. What's your superpower? All right. Got our squirter and all that back together. Needle and seats are in, all nice. We're ready to put back on the car. Idle mixture screws, ran them in, bring them back out 2 turns. Great place to get started. We're ready to roll.